Dear friend, it's time to restore the queue again. In this step, we are going to adjust the corners to make the entire top face to become a single yellow color, and we'll meet 7 situations. Let's start with the situation 1 and situation 2. Situation 1, a yellow cross with one yellow corner that look like one fish, right? Here is the head. Okay, one fish. Also this one, a yellow cross with one yellow corner that look like one fish. Okay, and think of that the yellow color facing up is the eyes for the fish. Yeah, this one the yellow color facing up. Okay, here is the head. So this orientation should be the upside, right? So this one is the eye. And how about here? Here now, this yellow stick is facing down, so don't think of that it is the eye, okay? So, it is the fish eyes, okay? And this one, yes, this yellow stick is facing up, okay? Here is the head. So this yellow should be facing up, okay? But this one facing down, right? So this one is the not eyes. Okay, here is the eye, and here is the eye. Alright, if the eye on the left hand follow algorithm 1, apron, upron, upron, apron, upron, twice. Okay, done it. Amazing, right? Okay, the next case. The eye on the left hand, let's follow algorithm 2. Okay, L, U, L prime, U, L, U, twice, and L prime. Yes, got it. Let's move to the situation 3 and situation 4. It is a cross, right? A cross. But it is a special cross that with eyes. If two yellow color that adjacent facing to the same side, okay, facing to the same direction, so then these two are the eyes, and these two also are the eyes, and this one, two adjacent colors facing to the same side, so this one pair eyes, right? Okay, but these two, this one and this one, facing to different direction, so not eyes. Okay, so this, for this cross there is one pair of eyes, but this cross two pair of eyes for this cross. Okay, for this case, any two yellow stickers facing to the left side, okay, and follow the algorithm 1, apron, upron, upron, apron, upron, twice, okay. Yeah, we got the fish and the situation 1 for fish, right? The eyes on the right side. So again, follow algorithm 1, apron, upron, upron, apron, upron, twice, okay, done it. And this cross, we made these two eyes facing to the left hand again, and follow algorithm 1 again, apron, upron, upron, apron, upron, upron, okay. Yeah, we got a fish, right? Fish 1, right? The eye on the right hand. Okay, algorithm 1, apron, upron, upron, apron, upron, upron, twice, okay, do it. Okay guys, let's move to the situation 5 and 6, like so. Yes, it looks like one telescope, right? Telescope. Yes, here is the two eyes, okay, and this one, but no eyes facing up. These two yellow stickers facing the opposite direction. If the eyes facing up, this situation, let's keep the glue like so. Make the eyes facing up and do the algorithm 1. Let's try it. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, twice. Okay, R. Alright, we got the fish tool, right? The eyes on the left hand of the fish. Let's follow algorithm 2. L, U, L prime, U, L, U twice. Okay, L prime. Yeah, done it. And this one, this two yellow color facing the opposite direction. So in this situation, let's keep these two yellow stickers on the left hand. Okay, and follow algorithm 1 again. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, U prime, R. Okay, okay, and alright, we got this fish tool, right? In this eye on the left side of this fish. Okay, follow algorithm 2, right? L, U, L prime, U, L, U twice, L prime. Okay, done it again. This is the last situation. Here write one flower like so. Let's figure out the stickers on the side. Here one, another one here, right? And make one of the stickers that facing up. Now this stickers on the right hand. So let's follow the algorithm 1. Algorithm 1, remember? R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime twice, R. Okay. Yes, after that we got the last situation, right? These two stickers facing now. Okay, follow algorithm 1 again. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime twice, R. Okay. Yes, now is the fish tool, right? The eye on the left hand. Alright, follow algorithm 2. L, U, L prime, U, L, U, 2. Okay? L prime. Done it. Okay, clever as you. More practice and see you next time.